Let me just give you some of the things that oppression that Muslims are going in Turkestan in terms of their religious freedom. There is no religious freedom at all. Their complete religious freedom has been banned. I will give you some list of that. Number one, they cannot read Quran. The Quran, all the religious books have been destroyed. They cannot pray. They cannot attend the mosque. They cannot fast openly. They cannot help each other with sadaqah. They cannot give qurban to each other. And they cannot enter marriage with Muslims openly now. That's banned. They are forced to marry with the non-Muslim Chinese. And they are placed, the non-Muslim Chinese are placed in the Muslim families without males present, because all the males are taken into camp. And also they are forced to eat pork, drink alcohol. If you are running business, you are not allowed to use any symbol of halal logo. And there are so many more that we can talk. Anything Islamic you think of, that's banned there. Thank you.